Welcome back to the channel. If you love smart kitchen gadgets, clever home organizers, and everyday Amazon finds that actually make life easier, you're in the right place. Today's picks are designed to save space, reduce clutter, and simplify your daily routine. You'll find links to every product in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. The HOOBRO Rolling Kitchen Island, a smart way to add extra storage and workspace to your kitchen. It features a spacious countertop for meal prep, shelves and cabinets for organizing cookware and pantry essentials, and smooth rolling wheels that let you move it wherever you need it. Whether you're cooking, serving, or entertaining, this versatile kitchen island helps keep your space organized and makes everyday tasks more convenient. Number 2. The KitchenArt Spice Carousel, a smart way to keep your favorite seasonings organized and within easy reach. The rotating design lets you quickly find the spice you need while saving valuable cabinet and countertop space. It's perfect for keeping your kitchen neat, making meal prep faster, and adding a clean, organized look to your cooking area. Number 3. The Chef Finger Guards for Cutting Aid, a simple kitchen tool that helps protect your fingers while slicing and chopping. It creates a protective barrier between your hand and the knife, giving you more confidence during food prep. Whether you're cutting vegetables, fruits, or herbs, it's a great safety accessory for beginners, home cooks, and anyone who wants a little extra protection in the kitchen. Number 4. The Mini Cup Fruit Slicer, a quick and easy way to slice small fruits in seconds. Simply press it over grapes, strawberries, cherry tomatoes, or similar-sized fruits for fast, even slices with minimal effort. It's perfect for preparing fruit salads, lunch boxes, snacks, and kid-friendly meals, helping you save time while keeping food prep simple and mess-free. Number 5. 2. Layer Coffee Mug Storage Box. Keep your favorite mugs organized and protected with this stylish storage solution. The 2-layer design helps maximize cabinet space while keeping your coffee cups neatly arranged and easy to access. Perfect for coffee lovers, small kitchens, and anyone who wants a cleaner, more organized countertop. Want to check out these amazing products? All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Number 6. Hair Tool Organizer. Keep your bathroom counter neat and clutter-free with this smart storage solution. It's perfect for organizing hair dryers, curling irons, straighteners, brushes, and other styling tools in one convenient place. The compact design saves space while keeping your everyday beauty essentials easy to access, making your morning routine faster and more organized. Number 7. GripStic Bag Sealers. Keep your snacks and food fresher for longer with these easy-to-use bag sealers. They create an airtight seal on open bags of chips, cereal, pet food, and other pantry items. A simple kitchen gadget that helps reduce food waste, keeps your pantry organized, and makes storing leftovers more convenient. Number 8. Stainless Steel Dish Drying Rack. Upgrade your kitchen counter with this durable and space-saving dish rack. It provides a convenient place to dry plates, bowls, cups, and utensils while keeping your sink area clean and organized. The stainless steel design is sturdy, rust-resistant, and perfect for everyday kitchen use, making cleanup faster and easier. Number 9. Sorbus Soda Can Organizer for Refrigerator. Keep your fridge neat and maximize storage space with this handy can organizer. It neatly holds soda cans, sparkling water, and other beverages while making it easier to grab your favorite drink. The stackable design helps reduce clutter and keeps your refrigerator looking clean and organized. Number 10. Comforters Storage Bag. Keep your bulky blankets, comforters, and seasonal bedding protected and organized with this spacious storage bag. The durable design helps keep items clean, dust-free, and easy to store under beds, in closets, or on shelves. A simple, space-saving solution for keeping your home neat and clutter-free. Love any of these Amazon finds? You can find all the product links in the description below. Number 11. Sinnsally Cabinet Door Organizer. Turn unused cabinet door space into smart storage with this handy organizer. It's perfect for holding cleaning supplies, kitchen essentials, bathroom items, and everyday products. The easy-to-install design helps maximize space while keeping your cabinets neat, organized, and clutter-free. Number 12. Travel Vacuum Bags for Clothing. Pack smarter and save valuable luggage space with these travel vacuum bags. They compress clothes, blankets, and bulky items, helping you fit more into your suitcase or storage area. Perfect for vacations, moving, camping, and closet organization, these bags keep your belongings protected while maximizing space. Number 13. Lifewit Underbed Shoe Storage Organizer. Make the most of unused space under your bed with this smart shoe storage solution. It helps keep your shoes protected, organized, and easy to find without taking up extra closet space. The clear top design lets you quickly see your shoes, making it perfect for small bedrooms, apartments, and clutter-free living. Number 14. Clothes Hanger Space-Saving Shirt Organizer. Maximize your closet space with this smart hanger organizer. It allows you to store multiple shirts vertically, helping reduce clutter and create more room for your clothes. Perfect for small closets, apartments, and anyone looking to keep their wardrobe neat, organized, and easy to access. Number 15. TUNISE Handheld Fan. Stay cool wherever you go with this compact and portable handheld fan. It's perfect for hot days, travel, outdoor activities, work, or relaxing at home. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry, while the convenient size fits perfectly in your bag for instant cooling anytime you need it. All product links are available in the description below. Number 16. DOQAUS Ice Cube Tray. Make perfectly shaped ice cubes with this convenient kitchen essential. The flexible silicone design makes it easy to remove ice without cracking or spilling, while the lid helps keep ice clean and fresh. Perfect for water, cocktails, coffee, and everyday drinks, it's a simple upgrade for any freezer. Number 17. OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner. Make fresh salads faster and easier with this smart kitchen gadget. The powerful spinning design quickly removes excess water from lettuce, vegetables, and herbs, helping keep your greens crisp and fresh. The easy-to-use pump system and sturdy design make it a must-have for anyone who loves healthy, homemade meals. Number 18. The DREO Space Heater, a compact heater designed to keep your personal space warm and comfortable. It's perfect for bedrooms, home offices, dorm rooms, and small living areas, providing quick, efficient heat without taking up much space. Its portable design makes it easy to move from room to room, giving you extra warmth wherever you need it most. If you're enjoying these Amazon finds, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more smart gadgets and home essentials, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.